औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज एक बार फिर बॉयज़ हाई स्कूल बदर के 10वीं जमात के तलबा व तालिबात अपना सब्जेक्ट यानी साइंस पढ़ने जा रहे हैं और आज हमारा जो चैप्टर है वो है पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन केमिस्ट्री एंड टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स। Dear students, first of all, we should know why is there a need for classification of elements. As all of us know that the universe is composed of matter and the matter is in the form of elements, compounds and mixtures. So we know that atoms of only one type form what is known as elements. The elements are the basic units of all types of matter. In 1800, around 1800, there were only 30 elements known, and at that time all the 30 elements are having different properties. Later on new elements were discovered and number of elements goes on increasing. So there was a need to classify the elements. In order to classify the elements, various attempts have been made by various scientists at that time. So the classification of the elements became very necessary. First of all, different scientists attempted to look for the trend and patterns of the properties of the elements based on which the study of such a large number of elements could be easy. In trying so, first of all, a chemist known as Antony Lavoisier classified the elements, and he classified the elements on the basis of metals and non-metals. He was trying hard to classify the elements on the basis of these two things, that is metals and non-metals, but this classification failed with the discovery of some elements that could neither be classified as metals or non-metals, which were named as metalloids. So he failed in his trial to classify the elements. After that, in 1817, one more chemist, John Wolfgang Dauberner, tried to classify the elements, and he classified the elements on the basis of groups. He formed groups of 3 elements of similar properties and named the groups as triads. Like triad 1, in triad 1 he kept lithium, sodium and potassium, and in triad 2 he kept elements like calcium, strontium and barium, and in triad 3 he kept elements chlorine, bromine and iodine. He made these triads on the basis of the arithmetic mean. He found that the arithmetic mean of the first and last group of the triad was the mean of the middle member of the triad. But he could not put all the elements into triads, so he failed in his classification of elements, and after that other scientists tried to come on the front line. In this way, the classification of elements was going on, and next day we will learn about the classification of the elements more. Hope you have got this introductory topic very well. Nice.